নমস্কার, আমি পায়েল। সমস্ত পুরনো এবং নিত্য নতুন রান্নার খুব সহজ ও চটজলদি পদ্ধতি নিয়ে আমি আপনাদের কাছে এসেছি। যদি আমার রান্না আপনাদের ভালো লাগে, আপনারা অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। আর সাবস্ক্রাইবারের পাশে বেল আইকনটা ক্লিক করতে একদম ভুলবেন না আমার প্রতিটা রান্নার আপডেট পেতে। আজ আমি আপনাদের দেখাবো বাটার নান। তবে বাটার নানটা আজকে আমি বানাবো না, আমার হাজবেন্ড বানাবে। আমার হাজবেন্ড বাটার নানটা অসাধারণ বানায়। চলুন দেখে নিই আমার হাজবেন্ডের হাতে বাটার নান।
First, I am taking all-purpose flour. It's about 250 gram, so it's 1 cup of maida. It's all-purpose flour, and now I'm adding sugar into it. So sugar will be 1 teaspoon of measurement. So it's around 5 gram of sugar, 1 teaspoon. And now salt. Salt is according to your taste. So I shall be giving around half teaspoon of salt. Now I shall be giving 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now I have to mix all the ingredients properly. I have mixed it all, so I shall keep a little hole in between, and now I shall give 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Now I shall add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So don't give baking soda more than 1/4 teaspoon because it will give a bitter taste. So I shall mix the curd and baking soda and just wait for 2 seconds. Yeah, now I shall mix everything properly. Now I shall make a smooth dough of it. I shall knead it with warm water. So I shall not add all the water together. So I shall add slowly. Slowly I have added, and I shall knead it so that it make a very smooth dough. Shall gradually add the water and mix it. Now I have kneaded the dough very soft and smooth. You can see it. Now I shall actually cover it with little bit oil all over it so that the moisture keeps intact. And now I shall keep it in a airtight container, and I shall keep it for 3 to 4 hours. After 3.5 hours, I'm opening the container. So you can see that the dough is sizing around double. So I'm taking it out from the container. I have made this area clean to make it to make the naan properly. I'm sprinkling some all-purpose flour all over it, and I'm rolling it so that it get mixed again properly. Now I'm taking a small round out of it. You can see this is the size of the round. I'm like this. I'm making the rounds. How it will be around 4 rounds out of this dough. I have divided the dough in 4 rounds. Now I am using a iron tawa. So don't use any non-stick tawa. Use only iron tawa because naan works very well in iron tawa. And I shall keep it on the gas flame, not in the very high flame. It will be in low medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes till I make the naan out of this dough. Now I am taking one round and I'm sprinkling some flour on it, and now I shall flat it like naan. So the shape depends on you, but you can make it oval shape or round shape, it doesn't matter actually. So I make a bit oval shape, so it will be not very thin, it will be like this will be the thickness. And now what I shall do, I shall sprinkle some of the black cumin on it, so it's bit of good taste. So, and some coriander leaves, cilantro, and just press it so that it sticks properly. And then I shall just flip it, and I shall apply some water on it. So I am applying some water. So this water is basically, it will help to stick the dough on the tawa. So, and the lower part of it, means the bottom side of the dough, means the naan, will be very crispy as I am using the water. Tawa is well heated. Now I am just adding the naan on the tawa, and I shall keep it for 2 to 3 minutes so that I can see the bubbles will come up little bit. Then I shall flip it. So just wait and see how the bubbles comes up. The bubbles are coming up, so it will I shall wait for another 30 to 50 seconds so that more bubbles comes up. Bubbles came up, so now what I shall do, I shall increase the flame, and I shall flip the tawa so that the top part cooks properly and it comes in a good texture. You can see it. So now I shall take it from the tawa and place it in a plate, and I shall brush it with little butter on it. So this butter naan is ready. I shall make another one for you to see. I shall make another one. So just sprinkling some all-purpose flour and flattening the dough. Shape doesn't matter actually, but you can make it a little bit oval shape. I'm just sprinkling some black cumin and coriander leaves. Now flipping it over, I'm pressing a bit so that it sticks properly. Now I'm just adding some water on it. Now I'm pressing it on the tawa. So same way I shall wait to bubbles to come up. Bubbles came up, so similar way I shall increase the flame and I shall flip it. So you can see how beautiful it became. So I shall take it out from the tawa and place it on a plate. So you can see the bottom part. It's nice and crispy and very soft as well on the top. So I shall brush butter on it, and the butter naan is ready to serve. Thank you.